How to use local marketing. Welcome to our video on how to use local marketing to grow your business. In this video, we will cover the basics of local marketing, its benefits, and how to get started with it. Local marketing is a marketing strategy that targets potential customers in a specific geographic area. This is a powerful tool for small businesses that want to increase their visibility and attract more customers in their local community. There are many benefits to using local marketing. For one, it can help you establish a strong presence in your community and build a loyal customer base. It can also help you stand out from your competitors and increase your revenue. So how do you get started with local marketing? The first step is to identify your target audience and understand their needs and preferences. This will help you tailor your marketing messages and strategies to resonate with them. Another important aspect of local marketing is to establish a strong online presence. This includes creating a website, setting up social media accounts, and listing your business on local directories and review sites. By doing so, you can increase your visibility online and make it easier for potential customers to find you. You can also use online advertising tools like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to target customers in your local area. In addition to online marketing, you can also use offline marketing tactics like direct mail, flyers, and local events to reach your target audience. These tactics can be especially effective for businesses that rely on foot traffic and local customers. Overall, local marketing is a powerful tool for small businesses that want to grow their customer base and increase their revenue. By understanding your target audience, establishing a strong online presence, and using a mix of online and offline marketing tactics, you can successfully use local marketing to achieve your business goals.